Hi everyone, welcome to Bogong channel. Today we will introduce you our mini EZCAD3 fiber laser machine. This is the motor. This is the lifting pillar. And this is the laser head. The motor can make the laser head move up and down automatically to get focus. The advantage is that you don't need to crank the lifting pillar to get focus. The white box is the cabinet. The cabinet can be opened like a drawer. The design makes the dust cleaning easily. The mini EZCAD3 fiber laser machine mainly for small size metal process, such as cutting, engraving, and 3D relief. It can be used for gold, silver cutting and engraving, inside and outside of the rings, bangles marking, logo and pictures marking, badge relief, gold engraving, relief of simple mode.